So welcome to the Content Creation Day lunch.
Relatable, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We've got to see a bit of your personality. So that's what your top of funnel is. You're not necessarily selling anything between now and the next few weeks. Maybe getting a bit of an audience for your in with your sales. And then go hard with your sales.
Also saying from an income.
Why don't you just go down to what content can I do? You know, but some of the thought is we jumped onto it, so then when everyone else jumps on it, I've got to switch to you launch is a vertical underneath it. Yeah.
Content outside of here. The day has gone really well. Started off explaining about different types of content and the intent behind content, and also top, middle and bottom types of content. Now this goes across all of the different platforms. It's for anybody in business when they're designing different types of content, what is the actual intent? We've gone through all of that, and then we've used all of this amazing grounds, and we've done loads of content. Everybody's out there filming. It's been awesome.